Right, so here I am with my new sponsors, Retro Bikes Dublin, and these are some of the bikes that I'll be out on maybe in the summer. I'm just going to look at the 6 cylinders over here. Now look at that baby in here. Look at that baby in here. That, my dears, is a CBX Honda. In behind that we have a 6-cylinder 900 Benelli. And in the corner there we have a Kawasaki KZ 1300 6-cylinder. And a lovely Moto Guzzi in the corner. I'll just give you a little look at what we have. We have the amazing little Honda 400 here. And look what we have here. This is a TDR Yamaha. Beautiful condition. The absolutely beautiful GT185. And we have an MX, whatever that is, I do not know. But check out those over there. Aren't they just something else? So here we are, the Desperado. Not my cup of tea. I like this little here. This is a Honda 125. And we have a Super Tenere 750 there. And the KLR Kawasaki with the 21-inch front wheel. Now I love this little bike here. This is a Yamaha 400. So folks, there you have it. This is the beautiful workshop here. Alan Kiernan, Retro Bikes Dublin, and his son Michael. Beautiful Moto Guzzi here. And there's my baby that I was on. Nice. I'll just introduce you now to my new sponsor here, who's made me a cup of tea. Where is it?
It's in the canteen.
Oh, let's get your own, is it?
Cheers.
These are good sponsors, aren't they?
I made it for you.
Did you? Fair play to him, he made me the cup of tea anyway. And here we go. So what do you think, folks? Retro Bikes Dublin. Nice, isn't it? So Alan, what are my monthly fees for the videos?
Yeah.
Huh?
I want you to go out on the TDR250 around the block when you get warm.
No, I don't think I will, Alan.
You will.
Yeah.
Because you have to experience a 2-stroke again.
I know, I haven't been on a 2-stroke for a long time.
That's a beauty.
Is it?
Yeah, it's cracking.
Yeah.
It's crispy. Early 350 LC I drove the other day. My TDR will wipe the arse of it.
Would it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Right.
you have to go out on that.
Okay.
Even if it's a pain in the hole to get out of there. Just 5 minutes.
Right.
5 minutes. I know the battery's dead, but let's start anyway.
Okay. Are you on for this, folks? TDR 250 2-stroke.
Yeah.
He has offered me a drive on it. Okay.